Hi. So you were talking to me about Joe Client, and it sounds like he's just really having some trouble being satisfied in his work. And I was thinking about it, and I thought, something that you really might want to try that might be helpful is the Minnesota Importance Questionnaire, the MIQ, and it's a kind of a tool that's designed to specifically measure components of job satisfaction, individual needs, not necessarily whether the client is a fit with what they're doing, but like their personality and psychological needs, and if they're their actual job satisfaction. It tests things like achievement, which is whether their ability level meets the job, but it also tests like altruism, like your interaction with coworkers and how you get along in there, comfort level with like the environment of the work, also things like safety and status, like recognition on the job, that kind of thing, autonomy, ability to work on your own, all these things. It tests like 20 different psychological needs in 6 categories, and it's a pretty thorough test. The test can be given in 2 different ways. It's a pencil and paper questionnaire, but it can be done. They have a paired version or a ranked form. And the paired version, the client just goes through and there's two different needs on each question, and they just pick one or the other, whichever suits them. The other one, the ranked version, gives 5 components, and you rank them in order. So a lot of clients prefer one over the other. The paired form does take about 30 to 40 minutes, and the ranked form only takes about 15 to 25 minutes for each. But the results are the same. It's a really reliable test. It's been around for a really long time, and the reliability of it is, from test to retest, very high retest correlate, same coefficient, whatever. But the validity is a little bit more in question. There's been a lot of tests done on it as far as its validity, but the validity kind of somewhat speaks to the MIQ claims to be less of a measure of ability and one of vocational interest. So the validity of it is there's going to be some discrepancy in interest, but so there's a little bit of question regarding certain aspects of the validity, but it's really been around for a long time, and it's a really good test for matching. It aligns the needs of individuals with like 185 occupations, so it's a really good fit for finding out if this client is actually meeting some satisfaction in this particular field of work that he's doing, or if there might be, identify the areas of needs that aren't being met, and maybe if there might be another profession or a similar profession that might suit those needs a little bit better. It's certainly worth a try. It's a very inexpensive test. It's only about $40 for the kit, and it does come with 50 sheets, so you could use it again many times if it turns out to be a good tool for you, and if you have the need for it again. So just something to think about. Good luck with your client.